baylo ay matagkanta, way hilabtaray ha? Kay total, ninduton man ako pag-awit ang imong kanta.
O sige, ay ayoon sa nakong kanta ka ng imong kanta.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is an inverted story of Magellan and Lapu-Lapu long time ago. On March 16, 1521, when Magellan was discovered by Philippines, they were sailing day and night across the big island until they saw Small Limasawa Ocean. Magellan landed in Olongapo City to get some boricat. They were very happy, but accidentally Magellan he got sick because he's playing with a high voltage lady. When Lapu-Lapu came to rescue, he boarded an airplane from Cebu. And when he saw Magellan on his bed, he cried and cried, and then he said,
Mitolo na, mitolo na. Bakit pare mitolo na? Ang sagot niya kila Lapu-Lapu, nagpaparaos lang ako. What can I do? What can I do, baby? Kung may herpes ka, pare ko, maayo pang putulon mo. Aron wala na'y istorbo. Paring Magellan, you are sick. Hagol na doktor very quick. The doctor said Magellan is just fine because his sickness is just like mine. Paring Magellan, you are sick. Hagol na doktor very quick. The doctor said Magellan is just fine